Use a light-skinned marker pen to paint a small amount and many times. Use even force to ensure a smooth background. Bleed highlight shape. Deepen the eye socket after applying the skin tone. Brush the connection several times to be too natural. Add some eyeshadow to the character. Remember that the marker pen coloring order is from light to dark. Then add the shadow of the hair. Eye color on. Transition from the upper eyelid position to the lower. People are just pink. Darken the brown part of the pupil to enhance the contrast. The eye color is generally distributed on the upper eyelashes and lower eyelashes. Pupil eyebrow part. Appropriately add some other colors to enrich the picture. Don't forget the projection of the wide part of the eye. Projection. It is recommended to choose the same light shade as the eyes. Gray. Local parts are accentuated with pure black. Let's paint the eyeballs delicately. Next, paint the hair color to increase the atmosphere. Fix the lines. Eyes with highlights. Ear sticks are generally used to increase texture. Don't use it on a large scale. The coolest step is to tear off the tape. Let's see the result.